in this video, let us see about how to construct a binary tree and then traverse the binary tree by using the in-order, pre-order and post-order method. So let us see how to implement this in Java. So coming to the main function, so we have created a class first called as the tree traversal with input. And now for this class, let us get the input from the user through the scanner method. And first, let me explain you the main function. So in the main function, let us first build the binary tree. And this tree node is a class. For this class, we are creating an object called as root. And we are calling the method called as build tree. So let us see what is there in the build tree of method. Now, this is the build tree of method. When we get into this method, we have to see, we have to construct the tree. So for constructing the tree, for each and every node of a tree, we have to get the value, right? So we can get the value by using the next int of method. So we are storing it in the variable called as val. And then for the tree node class which we have created, so let me just tell you what is the tree node class. So this is a tree node class where it has got a value, and this value will store the data or the value for every node. So every node's value will be stored in the variable called val. And this tree nodes left and right, this is also a tree, so it is a reference to the left child, and right means the reference to the right child of any node. And we are going to initialize the constructor here. So the constructor initializes the node with a value, and the left and the right child will initially be null. So this is the class tree node for which we have created the node with the left child and the right child initially pointing to or referring to null. And now once we get the input value from the user for each and every node. So first time say that we are getting a value, say 1. And if the value is not equal to -1, it means and then there is a node. So if it is -1, it will return null. If not, it will construct a tree with the node value, say 1 here. So tree node, this node is the object for the class, and we have called the constructor. So this will construct a tree with the node, say 1. So now for the node 1, so say that we have created the node, say 1 here. Now once we create a node, now we have to tell that what do we want as the left child of node 1, right? So if I have to tell ask the user to enter the left child, so I can recursively call this method build tree of method to enter the left child of the node which I have created, right? So I can just use node is the object for the tree node class. So the node's left part, I'm going to recursively call the build tree of method so that the user can again enter the value for the node which he has created. So the left child value can be got, and it can be stored in the variable called as val. And then the user can enter the right child of the node which we have created. And now we can call the method called build tree of method recursively to construct the left child and the right child of the tree, right? So this is a build tree of method which we can call recursively to enter the left child and the right child of any node and to build a tree. Now once we have built a tree, we are supposed to now traverse, right? So this build tree of method will help us to build a binary tree. And now once a tree is built, now we can perform the traversal in order, pre-order or post-order traversal. In order, we will traverse the left, then the root and the right. So now let us see how to call the method in order. So let us move to that part. And now once the method is called, so this part will be executed. So in order, first let us write down that if the tree is null, so that if the root is null, then it means that there is no node in the tree, right? So if not, we are going to traverse to the root's left child, so left, then the root, we can print the root, and then we can traverse through its right. So the traversal is left, root, and then the right. Similarly, for the post order traversal, so for post order, we have to traverse first what the left, and then the right, and then its root. So first is left, then root, and then right. In pre-order traversal, we have to traverse first the root, and then the left, and then the right. So this is all about how do we traverse in a binary search tree. And this is the output for the binary tree. So let us enter the value for the root node. So let us have this tree as the example. So let us give the input for the building the tree. So entering the value of the root node, say 1. And now we have to enter the left child of node 1. So the left child is going to be 2, and the left child of node 2 is going to be 3. And now let us say what should be the left child of 3. Left child, we don't want to have any left child, so I'll just give it as -1. And then the right child of 3 is also -1. Now we should tell what is the right child of node 2. So for right child of node 2 is 4. And now the left child of 4, I don't want any more nodes, so I'll just give the input as -1, -1. And now we have to enter the right child of node 1. The right child of node 1 is going to be 5. And the left and the right child of node 5 is -1. So since I don't want to build the tree again, and now we'll get the in order, pre-order, and the post-order traversal. So this is the simple program to demonstrate the tree traversal.